Hey friends, if you wish to install Internet Explorer mode on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, Internet Explorer mode is a mode in Microsoft Edge, so let me show you. Open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner, and then select Settings. Now, you can go to the default browser option on the list on the left hand side. It says let Internet Explorer open sites in Microsoft Edge. Now by default the option is for incompatible sites only, and I think it is a good option. But if you want to use the Internet Explorer mode, simply click on always recommended, and the second option where it says allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode, select allow. Okay, that's it. This will push your Microsoft Edge browser to the Internet Explorer mode, and all websites will open as if they're opening in Internet Explorer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.